again, I never get my beauty sleep. This is Usborne. Look inside your body. What does your brain do? What are your lungs for? How do muscles work? Why do you need bones?
Okay, so tell us about it.
Okay. It's like a flip up book. See? This? Ah! Skeleton! Brains.
We can't really see it over here.
Brains. Is it just disgusting?
You think so?
Yes.
Do you learn a lot with that book?
Yes. Okay.
And what about the other book you have?
Your spine helps you stand up straight. It lets you bend too. If you didn't have any bones at all, you would be a wobbly of goo.
Let's see it. All right, and what's that book?
See inside how things work.
And what does that book tell you about?
Flip up thing, and it tells you how things work. See?
Not really. Turn it more this way. Great.
I want to show you how the water gun works. I can find it. See? See this? Spring. Blast. See? How do you like that?
That's pretty neat. Can you learn lots of things in that book?
Yes.
Do you like that book?
Mm-hmm.
So, who do you think would like these books?
Scientists.
That's a good idea.
Yes. That'll think
All
above
right.
my head. This is a Usborne Lift the Flap picture of Lancet.
Atlas.
Atlas.
Mm-hmm.
See?
And Atlas is a book
Where
of maps.
things are.
Show us.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Flip, 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 flip.
So, can you learn stuff from that?
Yeah, where stuff is and what is it called?
Mm-hmm. And what do you think is neat about that book?
Because it tells you which things and where are things.
What's on the last page of that book?
This?
And what's in there?
I don't know.
Let's see.
It's a... oh my god, this is enormous. Oh. World! Dun, dun, dun!